Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Bram. I talk about fashion, luxury, shopping, vintage, and style, things like that. So if those are things that are interesting to you, I would love it if you would hit subscribe and become a member of my growing YouTube family. Okay, so today I'm doing a tag video. I was tagged by Melissa from the Right Handbag. This is, I don't even know what this tag video is called. And I was gonna say I'm gonna tag some people at the end, but I'm actually not going to because she tagged a ton of people. And so I figure that I actually, yeah, I'm just gonna say, like, if you haven't done it and you would like to, then I tag you to do it. And if you are doing it because I tagged you to do it, then I would love it if you would tag me when you do it so that I can see what you've done. Okay. Other than that, I will also tag Melissa's original video down below. Okay, so this tag, let me explain it. It is the 4 bags that I'm using the most lately, that I'm loving the most, that I'm using the most, that are getting like the most wear or whatever. But also, there's a caveat. So out of the 4, and this is how I understand it, 1 bag I need to give to somebody else. Theoretically, right? And then 1 bag I would take from somebody else, like the creator or like somebody that I know or whatever. So let's get into it. I have some ideas on who and what I would take. All right, so number 1, so out of the 4 bags that I've been using the most recently, I would say that absolutely number 1 has been my Dior Rasta bowling bag. So this bag is so functional, so perfect with everything. I feel like it goes with every single thing that I wear. It is like, because I don't know how to describe it. I feel like it goes with, I love camo. I feel like it goes with camo perfectly. I feel like it goes with leopard perfectly. And then obviously, like, it, even though it's like beige or whatever, like if I'm wearing, like today I'm wearing, as usual, a gray tank top and gray sweatpants, and I would still, like, this is casual enough that I would wear this with what I'm wearing now. It can be dressed up, it can be dressed down. It's just like the perfect bag. I'm so happy that I got it. I got it for a steal, and I would say, like, it is big enough that it holds absolutely everything I need, so I can like stuff it with all the things that I need for a day. But like, it also doesn't like it's a little like slightly structured, I guess. So even if I just throw like 1 or 2 things in there, like, it's still fine. It's a lightweight bag. It's just, I don't know. I love it. I love it. Next one. So next one I would say would be my Louis Vuitton Chi Bohemian bag. So I found this on the Real not too long ago. It was in as-is condition. The only issue is there's a little rip in the interior, and I have been using it a ton because I think it just goes with everything. It just, I don't know if you guys can, it just looks like cool with literally everything that I could possibly wear. I'm an extremely casual person 99% of the time, and so this is like a bag that you could throw on. It makes everything look good. It's in my color palette. So it's just like, it's just perfect. So yeah, this would be number 2 that I have been wearing like nonstop since I got it. Number 3 would be this beauty. This is my Balenciaga graffiti bag with all of the cool charms. I love this bag so much. I love the charms on it so much. There's just like so much happening that you don't even know where to look. But ultimately, I feel like on a normal basis, my style leans, I feel like it leans a little more edgy. Like, if I'm not like super like clean girl, well, I feel like I am. I feel like I combine the 2. Like, you know, I don't know. But anyway, my clothes never really do it. Like, only if I'm going out or whatever, but on a normal daily basis, and like if I'm not doing much of anything, my clothes are just kind of like exactly what I'm wearing right now. I like a lot of like gray on gray, or like white, or I don't know, you know, so a lot of what I wear is the same all the time. But my shoes and my bags and my jewelry is usually where I kind of like zhuzh it up a little bit. And I feel like this bag is the moment. It is the outfit. So this just takes like any outfit that I am wearing like up a notch. I can put it on my shoulder, but it also has a shoulder strap. So it came with like a super long shoulder strap, but I ended up tying it. And I was wondering like if I should get it cut or whatever, but honestly, I feel like the tie is even cooler just because like it is such a, I don't know, I feel like just the bag itself, like, I don't know, it doesn't need to be perfect. Like it almost looks like it actually completely belongs because everything on the bag is sort of like just, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't really have a word for it, but like it's kind of like I'm just making it work, and it just goes with the overall theme of the bag, which is sort of like edgy and undone, and like I don't care. I'm throwing all the things in my, like, even though I do care. You know what I'm saying? Like I styled this bag, but I feel like it's one of these, it like looks like I just threw a whole bunch of stuff on and like I'm too cool to care, but I do care. You know what I mean? So anyway, yeah, I love this bag. Okay, last but not least, for my fourth bag that I have been wearing a ton lately, it would be this Prada military nylon cargo bag. I don't remember the whole name of it. But anyway, I initially saw this on TikTok. I really didn't know that this bag existed until very recently. It is from spring, summer 2004. It has like not a lot of, you know, I mean, Prada I feel like is pretty like under the radar anyway, but that's really the only label on it is that on the back. But I just love the fact that it's like these 4 different colors. So it's navy, it is like a tan color, it is like a mauve color, and the gray. Oh, and the black. So I guess 5. But anyway, it can be used as a top handle, but it also comes with this super chunky silver chain that smells like pennies, but that's okay. And it can be worn just on my shoulder like this. I absolutely love this bag way more than I thought I would. I was on the fence with it. I got it at like a crazy good deal, but I was on the fence with it for days. And I was like, you know, there's so many things on my wish list that I want, but randomly something that I have never seen will pop up, and I'm like, oh, wait a minute, and the price was right, and so I ended up getting this. It's just so cool. It has lots of pockets. I gotta be honest, I change my bag literally every single day, so I don't use a lot of the internal pockets and stuff because I find that when I do, like if I was to stuff a bunch of things in these pockets, I would forget them and never know where they are again. So I don't. I tend to keep my stuff like in the main compartment of the bag always, but there is a ton of pockets. So like if you were buying this to use on a daily basis and like you were just not removing your stuff out of this bag, it is actually pretty perfect. And then you have the major compartment in the bag, which is like inside this like frame. And I just thought it was so cool because like the frame is so out of place, but it's not. I don't know. It's just such a like a combination of like different styles and things, and it's unexpected, but somehow it all works together. So yeah, I absolutely love this bag. It has been on constant rotation since I got it and is one of my most used bags, and probably I feel like will remain that way for a while, like to the point where I'm like, I'm going to try to find the like the green version as well. I don't know. I love it. Okay, so moving on to the hard part. And actually, it's really not that hard. So the next piece of this tag puzzle is who would I give one of my bags to? And that is a very easy one. So be this bag, and I know she's watching. And this I would definitely give to my friend Jamie because she loves this bag. And I have never, ever, I've literally never found anybody else, met anybody else, whatever, who also remembered and knew what this bag was. And we actually kind of bonded. I met her on here, right? But we bonded over the fact that in one of my videos, I mentioned the Chi-Chi. There's, I think it's called the Tarag or something. Anyway, it's more of like the speedy shaped bag, and I mentioned in one of my videos, probably like a year ago or so, that I had that bag. I loved that bag. I ended up leaving it with my friend, whatever, and we stopped talking for a while, and now I know that that bag is like destroyed. She actually still uses it, but it's destroyed. A lot of stuff got caught in a flood that she had and whatever. So anyway, she had it, and I was like, I would kept on telling her, like, I love that bag so much, right? And so when this popped up, she was the first person I sent it to, and I was like, oh my God, what do I do? Do I get it? So I got it. She was like, tell me how you like it or whatever. And so now she's kind of like, I think that this would work better for me as a mom. She has 2 little boys, and a lot of her bags she doesn't use, but this would be like the perfect mom bag. So without a doubt, this would definitely be the one that I would gift to my friend Jamie. And I think that she would probably get a ton of use out of it, just for like every day. She probably wouldn't move out of it until like the youngest boy was 10 for sure. So I think it would be going to a good home. So here we are at the very last point of this video, and I have actually 3 bags that I would steal from other YouTubers' collections. And I'm actually going to tag them below so that they know that they're in this video. Okay, so the first one would be, you know, I can never choose, like I'm like excessive, okay? So the first one would be Rich Curated, okay? I would take from her, I think that her collection lines up with my style. She's probably, I feel like, the person on here that I have the most, maybe, or one of like maybe 5 or less than that probably, people on here that I think we have very similar likes. And yeah, there's a random bag or whatever that I'm like, I wouldn't really get that. But the majority of what she has and shows and uses and likes, I'm 100% on board with it. I love it, right? So from her, I would definitely take 2 things. She has 2 great bags. One that I've been watching in her collection forever. She has the Louis Vuitton and Stephen Sprouse Speedy in the green. I think she has 2. I think she has 2. I'm almost positive she has the pink, the pink Stephen Sprouse Speedy, and the green. Now, because I have a pink Neverfull, I would say that I would take the green neon Stephen Sprouse Graffiti Speedy from her. 100%. I want that bag so bad. And there's actually a few of you on here. Mandy, I know you have that bag. I know Melissa actually has, I believe, the pink version. I know Deb from Wild Unfiltered has the orange version. Orange is actually just not my favorite, but shoot, I would, like, if you're giving it to me, I'm taking it. You know what I mean? So anyway, there's a few people on here that have my dream bag, but yeah, but definitely I just immediately thought of her first because she's the one that I know like has it, you know, and I've been watching it for years. Okay. Next, it's still from her closet. Okay. Next would be her Monogramouflage Speedy. She just got it, I think, on a trip to Japan, if I'm not mistaken. It is on my forever wish list app. Like, it is. I had it. I sold it like a moron, and I need it back. I need it back at some point very, very soon. Or I am like, I need it back. So I do have, if you can see behind me in the corner over there, I do have the Jasmine version from the Monogramouflage collection. But I feel like the Speedy is iconic. The Speedy is obviously the most wanted out of that collection. And while I actually think that that bag is more comfortable just because it can fit over your shoulder, I need the Speedy. I need the Speedy. Like, I can't be a handbag collector and not have that bag. It's just impossible. And so that would be one that I would definitely have to grab. Oh my God. And I thought of another one that I would take. Okay, so that's it from her. We're moving on. We're moving on. All right. The next one would be Lisa from Luxury and Life in the Middle. I would absolutely take her Christian Dior newspaper saddlebag. I want that bag. I would love to have it in the vintage version, but honestly, I will take any version that I can find. I know she has the newer version. I need it. I need it in my collection. Is another one that I feel like you cannot have a fully like a real handbag collection without that bag. There's no possible way. So that would be another person that I would take a bag from. And then last but not least, and I can think of so many more. I mean, there's so many of you guys that have amazing bags that I'm like, I need them. But calm down, Bram, right? All right, the last one would be Dale from, I know she changed her channel name, Dale, hold on, Undone by Dale, right? Undone by Dale, formerly of Dale's Addiction. I think that, first of all, her collection is amazing. I love the fact that she likes like wild and crazy things. I think we're a little bit different in kind of what we like. I know her favorite house is Fendi. Like we have a little bit of differences, but very similar in the fact that I think we both like very just like really happy pieces, right? So from her collection that she just unboxed that I am like drooling over. I don't know if I will ever get my hands on this just like by way of my own, you know, purchasing. Yeah, you know, but oh my God, that Inner Beauty Fendi Peekaboo that she just got. Now she got a whole bunch of beautiful things from Fendi recently, but the one that stands out is the Fendi Peekaboo with, it's the brown one. It's the Inner Beauty from the new collection. It's the brown one with the stunning purple sequins on the inside. It's so stunning. It's so stunning. And obviously I always talk about how I'm not loving like any of like the new stuff in store lately and whatever. This Fendi collection has changed my mind. And actually there's quite a bunch of stuff right now that's changing my mind on that, which I don't know if it's good or bad, but I will say that that Fendi bag is so stunningly beautiful that I would definitely have to take it from her. So hopefully I can take all 4 of these bags, but I know that the rule was only 1, but I'm greedy. So anyway, that's it. That is my video for today. Thank you, Melissa, for tagging me. Again, I'm not tagging anybody just because I feel like she tagged like a million people in this. So if there is anybody out there, actually, I'm going to tag one person. I'm going to tag my friend Dora. I will tag you below. I know that she's backlogged with everything that I'm tagging her in just because like she just started and I'm trying to like, you know, like we need to go over there. We need to follow her. She has an absolutely incredible handbag collection as well. And she likes fun things and all this stuff. So if you do like the type of stuff that I show, that I know it's different, not everybody's cup of tea, but maybe fun and happy to watch, her collection is very much like that. And so, yeah. So anyway, so I'm tagging her. Anybody else that wants to do it that Melissa did not tag and you haven't done it yet, then please, I would love it if you would do it and tag me so that I can watch it. And that's it. So if you haven't already subscribed, but you like this type of video or these type of content, these type of videos or this type of content, then please, I would love it if you would subscribe. If you are, if you do have the hype points to hype still, I would love it if you would hype this video. I would love it if you would like this video. And what else, guys? Last but not least, I think, if you are not done watching me yet, I'm going to leave another video right over here in case you haven't already seen it, but you would like to. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.